Best advice for actors to cry on cue. Try not to cry. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but real people in real scenarios don't want to cry. Plus, the audience doesn't want to see an actor crying. They want to see a person struggling with their emotions. Stay hydrated. I know it's odd, but when you have water in your system, it's easier to produce tears. And relax. Avoid overthinking the scene, pushing your emotions, or anticipating what comes next. What can help you get there? Meditation, working on your imagination, and working on your emotional preparation. If you do the work, the tears will come when you need them. Trust the process. Remember, struggling is better than crying.
Thanks for watching.